Hi, I'm a student physical therapist here at Arkansas Colleges of Health Education, and today I'll be talking about the switch. This particular switch is called Big Red by AbleNet, and the way it works is you can hook it up to any electronic device that has this adapter, and this device also comes with different color tops that you can put on it in case you have multiple switches in your household, so that you can color code different things. The switch is usually used with people with physical and visual impairments who might need a bigger area to press a button to turn things on and off. AbleNet also has an app that you can print off pictures to put on top of the switch up here on the top to label things if someone is, say, colorblind. For it to work, you just press the button.
Oh, hello! Want to sing with Elmo?
And you learn that Elmo wants to sing. This product is available at the ICANN lab on the 8 campus in Fort Smith.